Hello, this is Earl Teets, the Mountain Man Home Business Coach out of Troy, Montana. Really, it's an honor and a blessing to help people get paid every week on a national and international level. It's a dream that we had for over 20 years that became a reality, and our whole mission is to help you to be able to accomplish the same thing in the field of entrepreneurship. How do we do it? Well, we understand that people like solutions. So solutionswillprofit.com is a place where you can see solutions for entrepreneurs that do what? Save them monthly operation expenses, allow them the ability to multiply their profits weekly, and have multiple streams of income in doing so. 95% of all millionaires in the world today have more than one stream of income. So why should you limit yourself? Recognize this fact that employment is only a stepping stone to entrepreneurship. Why would you want to be an entrepreneur? Well, if you look at the financial facts behind entrepreneurship, 3% of America holds 90% of its wealth, and those 3% are entrepreneurs, not employees. So as an entrepreneur, life is going to throw you a curveball. This is baseball season, right? And life's going to throw you curveballs. How you react to those curveballs that life throws at you is what's going to make or break you as an entrepreneur. Give you an example. Yesterday, my wife and I's transportation, our vehicle, it broke down through a valve right through the motor and leaked all the oil all over the ground. The engine is completely shot. So we could panic, but thank God we're not employees, we're entrepreneurs, so we can't get fired because our engine blew up and we can't show up to work. We work from home. So we're able to utilize more time to be able to create more money. We just look for the positive through the negative situation. And really, that's how you do it. Life has curveballs, and it's going to throw curveballs at you whether you're an entrepreneur or not. You have to figure out how bad do you want the career level that you have, and do you have the right solutions to run with to offer the market so you don't have to spend all of your time on your income generation. When you have the things in play that count, proven earning system, the tools to have that earning system, and the education of how to use those tools, and the leads for what you have to offer. When you got all four of those things in that little egg on the wall there, that's an egg that's going to produce for you. The problem in this industry is you've got most of the companies out there will get you started with the system, and once you're in the system, then they sell you the tools. For the serious that want to make the big bucks, you need to upgrade to the tools. After you spend your money on the system, after you spend your money on the tools, now they're going to say, if you want the education on how to use the system and the tools, if you're serious, you'll upgrade then, and we'll give you another sliver of how to make the money. And then you still have no leads for what you're trying to earn with. At O2 Worldwide, the first option in solutionswillprofit.com, we have the system, the tools, the education, and the product that brings solutions. O2 drops are these little, comes in a bottle like this one, okay? Under the tongue, 15 drops, 3 times a day. And what are they? If you look at medical science, it's a proven fact that when the single cells on a cellular level have the correct amount of oxygen, the immune system functions at its optimum. That's awesome. And we always need a healthy immune system. Who doesn't? The other thing you look at is the government regulates the farmers on their farm aid. If they don't use the right fertilizers that are chemically based, if they don't use the right pesticides that are chemically based, they don't get the farm aid. So the majority of the farmers need the farm aid when it's not harvest time to be able to feed their families. So they use those chemical fertilizers, they use those pesticides, and the vegetables look pretty, but they're missing trace minerals. You have to supplement to get those minerals. Medical science has proven that disease cannot exist if all the proper minerals are present. All disease is connected to one way, shape, or form of mineral deficiency. So when you got a product that's less than $2 a day that comes with a system, tools, education, and 20 leads of real phone numbers, email addresses, and people who have a genuine interest in working from home, that puts the odds of earning money in your favor as an entrepreneur. So think about what I'm saying. $60 gives you a product, system, tools, education, and leads. All you got to do is work your way to success and have what works without being upsold into bankruptcy to get there. Now, if you like what I'm sharing with you, recognize the fact life is going to throw you curveballs. And what you do from those curveballs is you look at what you can grow from. I noticed yesterday when my engine blew up in my truck and there's oil all over the place and my wife and I just lost our transportation, that at 42 years old, I can still throw a fit. I can still throw a pretty good tantrum. What did I learn from that? I learned how embarrassing it was to lose my cool in public, okay? So if you get a curveball in life, look at what you can learn from that curveball. Find where you can capitalize on life as it throws you that curveball. The benefit behind it, I work from home. I'm not going to get fired because I can't afford to go buy a new vehicle today, okay? I don't have time in my schedule to go buy a new vehicle. So what am I looking at? The positive side is I work from home. I'm still able to do my career field. I'm able to help you get paid each and every week. Friday is payday. Don't you deserve to get paid? Come join us. We'll help you to the success that you deserve as long as you're willing to work for it and understand there's no free lunch in entrepreneurship, but it is a process that pays the best. God bless you.